In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a CSV from your Etsy monthly statement in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy allows you to export your financial data as a CSV file, which is useful for analysis, tracking profits, and managing your records in spreadsheets. Now, if you want to generate a CSV from your Etsy monthly statement, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your shop manager from the top menu. After that, go to Finances and select Payment Account. Then, choose the specific month you want to export data for. Now, look for the option to download your data and select CSV format instead of PDF. After that, click on Generate or Download to export the file. Then, open the CSV file using tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to view and analyze your data. Next, use the data to track your revenue, fees, and profit over time. Keep in mind that CSV files are more flexible than PDFs, especially if you want to sort, filter, or perform calculations. Also, you can compare different months to identify trends and improve your business decisions. That's it. By generating a CSV from your Etsy monthly statement, you can manage your shop finances more efficiently and gain better insights into your performance.